Several users have complained about experiencing issues while downloading or opening games from the Xbox app on Windows. Fortunately, it is possible to fix this annoying issue, and we will show you how in this video tutorial. First, before spending time on any advanced solutions, run a quick internet speed test on your PC in order for you to check your connection. You'd also try switching to a different network connection if one is available. If that simple method did not work, try to check the date and time of your PC. To do it, open Settings, click Time and Language, click Date and Time, then enable Toggle next to Set Time automatically. After that, restart the Xbox app and then see if it works fine. Another way to fix such issues is to sign out of the Xbox app and then sign back in. Do it by opening Xbox app, click on your username in the top left corner, select Sign Out, then click the Sign In option again and enter account details. And those are the possible ways if your Xbox app is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.